How to share a YouTube video link on your Instagram story. This tutorial shows you how to post any YouTube video directly to your story in just a few steps. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, find the video you want to share and tap on it to open it. From there, tap on the share icon below the video. At this point, tap on Copy Link to copy the video URL. In the next step, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Following this, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. Once done, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From there, tap on the link sticker from the sticker options. At this stage, paste the YouTube link into the URL field and tap Done. After this, position the link sticker anywhere on your story by dragging it around. Finally, tap on Your Story at the bottom left to share it with all your followers. And that's it! If this guide helped you share a YouTube video on your Instagram story, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.